Hey there, Jake Dempsey here, CEO and co-founder of Project Broadcast. In this video, we're going to talk about trackable links. Remember, you can always visit training.projectbroadcast.com for additional training modules. And if you have any questions about setting up your account or any questions about the features of Project Broadcast, be sure to email us at support@projectbroadcast.com. Now, before we hop into Project Broadcast, let's just talk a little bit about trackable links. And really, I want to talk about public URL shorteners on tools such as Bitly and TinyURL. There's a number of other websites where you can create shortened URLs, but the important thing to know is that most telephone carriers block shortened URLs very heavily, the public URL shorteners. Most of the time, you shortened URLs from websites like YouTube or Google Forms, those are typically okay because they only go to YouTube videos or they only go to Google Forms. But public URL shorteners, I'll just use Bitly in this example, can take a user, or excuse me, take a person anywhere. I can click a Bitly link and go to Google, go to an e-commerce site, or potentially go to a scam site. Because of that, carriers block them heavily. Project Broadcast has a feature called Trackable Links. Our Trackable Links feature allows you to create shortened URLs, track who clicks on those URLs, and it's also safe for the telco industry where carriers do not block because we don't do what's called a blind redirect. We don't just automatically take your contact to whatever link you're trying to send them to. We present them with an intermediate page that tells them, hey, Jake is trying to send you a link. This is the link he wants to send you. And then the recipient still has the you take the action to actually click the link. So let's just hop over to Project Broadcast and we'll kind of dig into creating a trackable link and I'll show you all the features. So in Project Broadcast, you'll find the trackable links area under the content section in your navigation. To create a trackable link, you just click the plus in the top. You give your trackable link a name. I'll call it I'm just going to create one to the Project Broadcast website. So I'll call it PB URL. No one sees this but me. And then I'll provide it with, the link to. Now, this is the full link. So this could be, a link to your website or a link. Maybe you have a specific link to you as a salesperson that you want to give to people when they shop on your e-commerce website. It can be to anything. Now, when I create that link, a couple of things occur. I get a QR code. Now, I can use this QR code, on social media or on business cards or flyers. And when people scan this QR code, it will take them to the trackable link landing page. And again, I'll show you what that landing page looks like. We also tell you who's clicked the link. Now, by default, if someone visits your link from this QR code, well, we don't know what contact in Project Broadcast that is. And it may not be any contact because maybe you put the trackable link, somewhere on social media and people scan your QR code and visit your trackable link that way. Well, in that case, when you view the contacts, it's going to show that a guest viewed your trackable link. But if a contact views your trackable link, and we're going to show you this in a moment, we'll tell you exactly what contact clicked the link and when they clicked the link. So as an example, let's go use this trackable link. I'll just use it in a chat message. Now, again, you could use this trackable link in a chat message, a scheduled broadcast, a keyword reply, a campaign message. Anywhere you compose a message in Project Broadcast, you can insert a trackable link. So I'll go to our previous chat that we've been using for our previous videos, and I'm going to say just, something in here. Hey there, here is that link I promised. And I'm going to do the plus sign to insert. I want to insert a trackable link, and then I only have one right now, but if I needed to, I could search across all my different trackable links. I'm going to insert this trackable link, and it inserts the trackable link code. Now, when it sends this message, Project Broadcast is going to generate a unique code for this specific contact. And when that contact clicks on this link, and I'm going to do this here in the demo. Now, again, remember, the contact is going to click this link, but I want you to see what they would see, okay? So if I click this link so that you can see what they would be presented with, give me just a moment to switch over to that screen. Okay, now we're on the other screen. This is the screen your contact would see when they clicked your trackable link. As I said, it's an intermediate page. We did not blindly take them to projectbroadcast.com. We send them an intermediate page that says you clicked on a link sent from Jake Dempsey with this phone number. To continue, please click the link below. This is the link I really want them to go to, but it's up to them to then click this link to go to the final destination. This approach to shortened URLs is what allows Project Broadcast to not get blocked by carriers, because we aren't blindly redirecting the person to that final URL. Let me hop back over into Project Broadcast now that we've clicked on the trackable link. Okay, now that we're back in Project Broadcast, let's go take a look at the trackable links area and see how the trackable link has been updated. I'm gonna hop over to trackable links, click on our PB URL trackable link that we created. And what we see is that Jake Dempsey, the contact, has clicked on the link. Now, again, we simulated this for you, but as your contacts access the trackable link, they'll be logged as having clicked it. And if I go into the contacts area, I'll see not only the name of the contact, but exactly when they clicked on the link. And if the person clicked on the link multiple times, then I would see them in this list multiple times. It's a great way for you to kind of get an idea of engagement. So a good thing to do, for example, let's say you've got an e-commerce site and you want to send out a link to your customers and you want to know who actually clicks the link in your message. Well, you could create a trackable link that points to that e-commerce site, insert the trackable link in your message, and then you'll know who actually engaged with your content. Even if they didn't reply to your message, who actually engaged with the content and clicked on the link to go to that e-commerce store that you were sending them in the message.